AI in control towers. Beginner level. Introduction. AI in control towers refers to using artificial intelligence to create a centralized monitoring and decision-making system for supply chains and business operations. A control tower is like a command center that provides real-time visibility, alerts, and monitoring, decision support, coordination across systems. It is widely used in supply chain management, logistics, manufacturing, transportation. AI makes control towers intelligent, predictive, automated, real-time. Examples include monitoring shipments globally, detecting delays instantly, predicting disruptions, optimizing logistics decisions. What is a control tower? A control tower is a centralized system that monitors and manages operations. In simple words, control tower equals a dashboard that shows everything happening in real time. What is AI in control towers? AI in control towers means using AI to make these systems smarter and automated. In simple words, AI control tower equals a smart command center that monitors, predicts, and controls operations. A beginner-level system includes real-time monitoring, alert system, risk detection, decision-making, automation. Why AI control towers are important. Modern operations are complex, distributed, time-sensitive. AI helps by catch providing real-time visibility, catch detecting issues early, catch predicting disruptions, catch automating responses, catch improving efficiency. Key features of AI control towers. Feature purpose: real-time monitoring, track operations, alerts and notifications, detect issues, predictive analytics, forecast problems, decision support, recommend actions, automation, execute responses. Example control tower. Data control data equals shipment status, delayed, inventory level 50, demand 80, risk level high. Simple monitoring example status equals delayed. If status equals delayed, print alert shipment delayed. How AI and control towers works. Step 1. Collect data. AI gathers data from supply chain systems, logistics platforms, inventory systems, sensors, and IoT devices. Example: inventory equals 50, demand equals 80. Step 2. Monitor in real time. AI continuously tracks operations. Example: if inventory less demand, print low inventory alert. Step 3. Detect issues. AI identifies problems. Example: delay equals true. If delay, print delivery delay detected. Step 4. Predict risks. AI forecasts disruptions. Example: risk equals high. If risk equals high, print potential supply chain disruption. Step 5. Take action. AI recommends or executes actions. Example: if delay, print reroute shipment. AI in shipment monitoring. Shipment equals in transit. Print shipment status as shipment. AI in alert systems alert. If alert, print send notification. AI in risk prediction. Risk equals medium. If risk equals medium, print monitor closely. AI in decision support. Cost 1 equals 100, cost 2 equals 80. If cost 2 greater than cost 1, print choose option 2. AI in automation. Auto action equals true. If auto action, print executing automatic response. Full menu-based AI control tower system. Python. Def monitor inventory. Inventory equals int input, enter inventory level. Demand equals int input, enter demand. If inventory equals demand, print low inventory alert. Else, print inventory sufficient. Def shipment tracking. Status equals input. Shipment status on time, delayed. If status equals delayed, print alert shipment delayed. Else, print shipment on track. Def risk detection. Risk equals input. Risk level, low, medium, high. If risk is high, print high risk detected. Else, print risk manageable. Def decision support. Cost 1 is int input. Option 1 cost. Cost 2 is int input. Option 2 cost. If cost 2 less than cost 1, print choose option 2. Else, choose option 1. While true, print N1 monitor inventory. Print 2 track shipment. Print 3 detect risk. Print 4 decision support. Print 5 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, monitor inventory. Elif choice equals 2, shipment tracking. Elif choice equals 3, risk detection. Elif choice equals 4, decision support. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI control towers. Check. Real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, decision support systems, automation, risk management, real-life analogy. AI control towers are like an airport control tower where everything is monitored in real time. Problems are detected early. Decisions are made quickly. Actions are coordinated. Operations run smoothly. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding real-time dashboards, IoT integration, machine learning prediction models, alert notification systems, API integration, multi-system data integration. Common mistakes beginners make. Eggs, ignoring real-time data. Eggs, not handling alerts properly. Eggs, oversimplifying risk detection. Eggs, ignoring automation. Eggs, lack of integration between systems. Where AI control towers are used. AI control towers are used in supply chain management, logistics companies, manufacturing, retail operations, transportation systems. Advanced systems include real-time supply chain dashboards, AI logistics control centers, predictive operations platforms, enterprise monitoring systems. Simple definition. AI in control towers. The use of artificial intelligence to monitor, predict, and manage operations in real time from a centralized system. Final summary. AI in control towers is a powerful operational tool. It helps beginners learn, set, monitoring, prediction, decision-making, automation. It plays a key role in modern supply chains and business operations.